You think you know a Toyota Hilux? Think again. This is a 20x12J -44 offset wheel from a brand called Vampire USA, wrapped in Rocktrack RT 35 12.5 R20 tires. This custom metal wide body is one of the most unique add-ons that we have installed in this car. This is inspired from Pandem Designs Japan. This is completely handmade and we have used very high grade metal for this purpose. And this is also detachable. You can detach this anytime from this fender. This is just connected using these bolts. We have also made sure that this design is completely suitable with this custom bumper from OpenN. This metal bumper is already having a metal piece add-on that is coming on this side, and we made this design exactly suitable so that this looks exactly elegant and unique. These aftermarket mirrors are from a brand called Clearview. You all know that Clearview manufactures one of the world's best aftermarket mirrors and they are made in Australia. These are extendable and also it has a bigger mirror that is electronically controllable and also has a smaller mirror in which you can see your wheels and tires. This is extremely useful and a must add-on for your Toyota Hilux. We have installed a heavy-duty metal aftermarket rock sliders for this car and it is from Option 4WD. You know Option manufactures one of the world's best metal off-road parts for SUVs and off-road cars, and we have also added a GR Sports door cladding to this car, and this is ABS material. This is a complete replacement aftermarket aluminum hood. It is much lighter than the OEM hood of the Toyota Hilux and the design is also extremely unique, and it is also having an extra scoop here, and this is an ABS scoop. This is a custom aftermarket imported GR Sports design headlight and it has 3 LED projectors. It is extremely bright. It is also having a GR logo on the side with blue color LED. This pair of hypersonic cube lights is mounted to a ProMan adjustable bonnet mount. And this is a Focus Max 5 and this is a Nightbuster V2. We have also installed a 20-inch hypersonic bar light on the roof and also a 6-inch fog lamp on this metal bumper. We have installed a metal drill-free roof rack to this car and this is from ProMan. ProMan manufactures amazing quality materials for SUVs, trucks and off-road cars, and the design is also very unique. This has a very special feature. It has a remote control electric shutter on the front side. That means if you have installed a light bar on top of your car, this shutter helps you close it and it will be completely not at all visible, and you can open it whenever it is necessary. And we have also installed a pair of mud tracks on top of this car. Mud tracks are very useful when you go for extreme off-roads with your Toyota Hilux. This roll bar design is very surprising and extremely unique and very aggressive. This is also from OpenN. They make customized parts for Toyota Hilux and many other trucks, and this company is based in Thailand. They manufacture extremely high quality and very rugged and very rough products, and their designs are similar to military grade materials, and you can see it looks like a weapon. It is looking very unique on this Hilux. We have installed an automatic electric dicky shutter to this car, and also inside we have put a pair of 20-liter jerry cans. We usually mount these jerry cans on the side of this car, but this car is having an open and aggressive roll bar, so we didn't want to spoil the design by keeping the jerry can outside, so we kept it inside, and it looks very cool and it is actually very useful also. We have installed one of the world's best performance suspensions in this car. This car has a King's 2.5 suspensions with a remote reservoir. The remote reservoir is the nitrogen sub-tank which comes with the adjuster buttons, and it also has an upper control amp that is from a brand Option 4WD Thailand. The lift kit of this car is also from a Thai brand Unicorn 4WD and it is a 5-inch. The total lift of this car is 8-inch. That is all together with the lift kit, suspensions, wheels and tires. Anyone can buy a Hilux, but not everyone can build something like this. It is not just about parts, it's about pushing the limits. Please let us know your opinion about this build in the comment box and stay tuned for more and more epic builds. This is Sachin signing off from Rovion Automotive, powered by Autobax India.